How to edit your TikTok caption. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can edit your TikTok caption. Well, if you wish to edit your TikTok caption, if you head over to TikTok, that on the post that I have already posted, right? Tap on the profile, head over to the post, tap on three dots there, you'll find here various options, right? However, you'll see the edit post option at the bottom right, towards the bottom. Once you swipe to the right, tap on edit post, and now you can go ahead and add in the caption. You can add in or remove it or edit it. So it's pretty simple and easy, right? Simply all you got to do is, let me show you once again. Head over to your video on TikTok, tap on the three dots at the right hand side of the video, then at the bottom from the options, swipe to the right, you'll find the edit post option, tap on edit post, and now you can edit your caption. This is how you can edit your TikTok caption. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.